Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. As you may know, YouTube just rolled out a For You section. So the For You section will be videos that the viewers will see when they come to your channel. These will be videos that they are most likely interested in viewing. This will help to keep people on your channel longer. So let's go see how to turn this on. From your channel homepage, click on Customize Channel. This will bring you into your YouTube studio. From the Layout tab, scroll down and you should now see the For You section. Now, when I first logged into YouTube Studio today, this button was actually turned on, so pay attention. I'm going to go ahead and turn this section on, and the next thing you'll want to do is go ahead and click on More Settings. Next, you'll see a For You Settings dialog box where YouTube will ask you what you want to include in your For You section. So you can turn on videos, shorts, or live streams. It will then ask you what content you want to include in this section. The options are all content, which they recommend, or recent content only. So the recent content will be content that you've posted in the last 12 months. So now if you have a channel like I have that's old and I posted content there, then I don't necessarily want people to get that in their For You section. Go ahead and click on within the last 12 months. Now, if you're proud of all the content that you've put out from the beginning, you can go ahead and click on the all content section. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click done. And after you've clicked done, go ahead and click publish. Now, if you go back to your channel, you should now see the For You section if you didn't see it before. Now, one of the things that I noticed is when I viewed this YouTube channel from my personal YouTube account, I did not yet see the For You section. So just know today is the day that they rolled it out. And if you don't see it from another channel or other people don't see your For You section yet, just know that it is coming. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. And with that, I want to say, have an amazing day.